guys, and welcome to my channel. I love this color. Violet, lavender, purple is one of my favorite colors, and I think the combination of this color and red is truly striking. This unboxing at the beginning of the video happened a few months ago, and since then I have worn these Hermes Santorini sandals quite a few times, so I feel like I can give you a full review now. We will talk about the sizing, the comfort and fit, and of course the wear and tear. So the first thing I wanted to bring up, it is very important in my opinion, even if you're trying to order these shoes online, to go and try them on at the Hermes boutique. I ended up purchasing a different size than what I had originally anticipated I would be. In the US sizing, I am 7.5, and in European sizing, I am typically 38.5. So when I went to the Hermes boutique and tried these shoes on, I realized I'm actually 37 to 37.5 in Hermes sizing. First, I tried the Oran sandals, and I'm a different size in Santorinis versus Orans. In Oran, I am 37.5, and they cut pretty narrow. And to be quite honest with you, Oran sandals didn't feel that comfortable. When I walked around in them, they definitely felt narrow. When I tried on these Santorini sandals, I was pleasantly surprised, and they were cut a lot wider. They felt a lot more comfortable and stable on your feet because of the ankle straps. Santorinis are cut much wider, so I am 37 in Santorinis. So of course the boutique didn't have this color combination. They recommended that if I see them online, I just go ahead and order it online. So that's what I did. They were out of this particular color combination in size 37. So I ended up ordering them in size 37.5. I figured half a size bigger is not that big of a deal. I would never go half a size smaller than my normal size. But going half a size bigger in an open toe sandal typically is not a problem. The only difference I see is that there's a little bit more extra room between my toes and where the shoe ends. So let's talk about the color. This is Violet Parme, and I absolutely love this color combination of this lavender, purple, and bright red. It's quite unique. You don't see that color combination in many shoes out there. I've never seen it before, and I just love these two colors together. They will match many different outfits. It would look great with a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt, and it would look great with something red or something this lilac color. So the possibilities are endless of matching these shoes with your outfits. This is not a hard color combination to match at all. They come in variety of colors, and if this combination is not your favorite, you can definitely find them in a more neutral colors as well. Guys, these Santorini sandals are winners. They are so much better than Orans. In my opinion, Oran sandals are a little bit overrated, and these Santorinis are definitely underrated. I don't see a lot of people talk about these sandals, but everyone and their grandma are talking about Orans all the time. Orans are quite a simple but classic design, and I definitely see the appeal of them. These Santorinis look very similar but are more elevated in my opinion. I would recommend these Santorini sandals to anyone. I absolutely recommend. However, if your foot is very narrow, I would again recommend that you go to the boutique, try them on, make sure that you find the correct size because they're cut quite wide. So you might need to go maybe half a size or a little bit down in size from what you normally wear. As far as comfort goes, these shoes are super comfortable. I wore them for long periods of time. Like I wore them throughout a whole day one day, and then on a few other occasions, few hours here and there. And walking around, being on my feet all day, it all felt completely fine. Nothing is tight, nothing is rubbing, everything just fits perfectly, and I would give it 10 out of 10 as far as comfort. Some people like to take their brand new shoes to the cobbler to put reinforcement soles so that they don't get worn as quickly. but for me, I don't usually do that. And as you can see, the wear is not that bad. I don't see any like major stains or any damage. I think the soles are pretty durable. I hear a lot of people complain about Oran sandals because they're pretty narrow. These shoes, they're cut much wider than Orans. So if you have a wider foot, don't be discouraged. Instead of Orans, get these. You will not regret this. Also, these sandals will not make noise. They stay put because the ankle strap secures it around your foot. So as you walk around, you don't make any noise. It's a common complaint about Oran sandals is that they flap around when you walk and they can even fly off your feet. These are pretty secure and super comfortable. And also guys, there's no stitching around the H. So I found that very comfortable, like nothing is rubbing on the top of my foot. A lot of times when I get the shoes that have stitching on the leather, something like that can rub on the top of my foot and give me blisters. But this shoe deserves some love. And this is one of the best purchases I made this year. So I would definitely recommend these Santorini sandals over Oran. I would give these shoes 10 out of 10. They're super comfortable, super nice. You can dress them up and wear them for some kind of occasion. Like I wore these to a wedding, and also you can dress them down, pair them with jeans, and just wear them casually on a daily basis. Like I said, they're super comfortable. So they will take you, you know, from day to night, all day out on the town. You can wear them while you're traveling, all sorts of occasions. So yeah, I am completely in love with these Hermes Santorini sandals. I would buy them over and over again, and I would definitely be looking into adding them to my collection in possibly different colors. And plus, these are a total winner in my opinion. Santorinis over Orans any day. They do look a lot cuter with this back piece and the strap. I think it's hard to dress up Oran sandals. They're a lot more casual. Where these sandals, the Santorinis, they can be dressed up or down depending on where you're going. Guys, this was my review of Hermes Santorini sandals. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Bye bye.